your very bearing sway, of which I am the stay. I keep now in my heart, and though my heart takes part, yet let my heart not cease to love you faithfully, wherever I may be. And though I have no peace of joy from a true heart's plea, you must be true to me. Your form so pleases me, so much for aye it graces, that my heart perishes, and I have no delay for any other sweet friend. And I can say to men, you are not mine, for I must bend toward your gentle form, whom love draws me to attend. And from loving you I'll not turn, nor believe I'll ever stray for any ill I might earn. Lady of valor's worth, if you grant me valor's hand, never by any force will I go out by force from your lordship's land. So pleasing do I find it, for all that pleases you pleases me. Nothing you love displeases me, nor believe I'll ever displease me in anything that may please you. Fair lady, I know not at all how I might by any essay touch beneath your robe's array, unless mercy first essay